This is a quick demonstration of what I need from the virtual assistants on goplanapp.com. Once they've logged in, I need them to take a look at the different sections here. You've got home, and you can see tasks, comments, tickets, discussions, calendar, tasks. The main thing we care about is tasks and tickets and time tracking. So what I need each person to do each time that they're logged in is to go to their task. They need to be logged into a task and tracking the time. So let's say they're working on, for example, 6 code top headings. What they can do is actually click down at the bottom right hand corner, and their status needs to be going at any given time they're logged on and on the computer working on my task. So they can simply put working on top headings video. Just let me know what they're doing. Working on top headings video, and click save. That immediately starts a timer, and you can see at the bottom here working on top headings, and the timer is going. And when they're done working on that task, ready to move to the next one, they simply can click stop. Okay. They click finish. They finished working on top headings, and then so they go to the next task, which might be this one here, review local. Click on here again, and this time they could be doing researching keywords, whatever their task is they're working on. Click save, and the timer for researching keywords starts, as you can see there. All this helps me do my manpower planning, help decide when and how many VAs I'm going to need for the future, how long each task should take or not take, if something's taking too long and it shouldn't, and vice versa. So this is very, very important. This has to be done. This is not optional. So they should be logged in to GoPlan app as soon as they start their shift. And for every task that they're working on, quickly change over and change their status. Researching keywords, I'm done. So I'm just going to finish that. And now I'm going to start a new task. I'm going to, for example, I'm going to work on Google local website, whatever it is. Okay, click save. You can see my timer starts. So they should only have a few seconds in between tasks, and then when they're totally done with something, then they're going to stop. Okay, we're going to finish this. Now, though, you don't click close unless you're totally finished with that task. If you're totally finished with the task, then you click close. Otherwise, just click save. In this case, we're going to go and we're going to work on reviewing, or actually setting up Google Analytics. And save. And now my timer's starting. Now let's say it's all done. Then what I will do is I'll actually log in each day, and I can see what my VA's worked on that day. You know, I can also see, am I using him in the right areas I need to use him? Am I having him spend too much time on videos when I should have him on something else? Helps me make good decisions and use for their time. So let's say I'm finished with that. I can actually, I'll be able to look at my my time. Let me see where it's at. Time tracking. I can see, for example, Google Analytics was 0.1 hour, working on Google local website was that many hours, working on top headings. It tracks everything for me. Okay, so using the timesheet at the very bottom, it's easy to use, is very simple, and it's a requirement. It's not an option. So when you start your shift, and you should basically be logging off that end at the end of your shift each day. So I need to count when you log in. So you can't log out of the system or it will turn off your timer. So it's important that you do stay logged in. Let's take a look at your task. If you want to add a comment on here or something like that, feel free. Okay? Let's say you want to work on a task here. These are pending tasks here. I don't want that. Let's go to task list. When you get done with something, you can check it. I've got some individual tasks and up here that are almost done there. But we have discussions, new project. We can add comments on there. You'll get notifications by email when I've assigned a task. Also, I can use tickets to assign a task. For example, here's 6co, this directory here. I need to know that